Below, we introduce the hydrated lime ball press regular, and depending on the situation of the maintenance method, and for the future investment of the maintenance method, a regular and depending on the situation of the combination of maintenance method, regular maintenance stage, hydrated lime ball press, although stable performance, work intensity, but in the work should also do a good job of maintenance. The specific situation can be executed according to the instructions. 2. Maintenance methods for future investment. In terms of long-term benefits, the maintenance of the hydrated lime ball press should be carried out before the failure of the ball press. We should provide for a targeted maintenance inspection of the ball press in a unified period and solve the hidden fault immediately. 3. Maintenance methods with reliability as the importance. When learning the maintenance method of hydrated lime ball press equipment, reliability should be the main maintenance method. Ensure maintenance personnel to repair,